What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, everyone? What up, Ken? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey! What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. Alright, so today is Wednesday, April 5th, 2023. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. Alright, excuse me. And what up, 1010? What's up? Finally got in GFAI at 933 on the short side or the long side. Yeah, I'm in there at 962 on the short side. So I was down quite a bit earlier today, but nice pullback here, and now in the green by like 200 bucks short, bro. Nice. So yeah, you got in. I'm glad you got in. Well, I don't know if you held through all the volatility, but I literally held this. It went up to like 13 or something like that. What'd it go up to? Yeah, it went up to like 13, 14. No, this went up to 22 yesterday. Anyway, I was down quite a bit. I was down over 1K, and it did come back, and I'm now in the green, so that's shorting for you. Crazy price action. So I'm glad you got in. Hope you didn't have to, hold through the crazy price action. Did I cover it? No, not yet. Because I made like almost 1100 today on that, but I'm still only up 200 overall on that. I was down over $1,000. So, did I cover it? No, not yet. I still think there's a lot more downside to go. So, no, I'm still holding. We're in this together, bro. Okay. Alright, so... Alright, already said that. Today is Wednesday. Alright, today we're doing the show from Ramenistan.
Good.
I guess we could have went with the stock exchange today, but, because the Dow Jones is in the green, but SPY in the red, NASDAQ in the red as well, so more like Ramenistan. But I made some fat tendies today as a rainbow bear, so I'm certainly not complaining. But yeah, not the best day for the bulls today. Ken says, I cover now. I'm scared to go back to 20 bucks tomorrow. I mean, it can. Anything is possible, but to me, it looks like it's pretty much done. And it is heavily shorted, so it looks pretty bearish to me. Yeah, so it may go run back to the upside, but, high risk, high reward. I'm still in here. Still need more attendees. Okay, what up, low roller? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey! What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Are you investing in Dogecoin? Dogecoin FOMO is back. How much did Doge go up today? Didn't go up that much, did it? No, it went down today. They got 273 and I scoop it? Dude, I'm in it. I got like 260 of them, so... Alright, man. Well, I mean, that's not the biggest profit, but, that's about, what, 10% you would have made here? About? A little less, actually. But, alright, dude. Green is green, green is good, so congrats to you there. Low-key, I'm getting wrecked on GWEL right now. Shorted that right before market close, and this is definitely not going the right way. So hopefully that turns around, but I'm already down like 400 bucks on that. Wow. It's low-key squeezing. Oh, man. Oh, man. Alright. That's pretty sick. Shorting wall, I got wrecked 400 bucks. Well, I mean, you made how much on that, so I guess you can't complain too much. But yeah, that was mooning today on positive PR that it's getting saved. Okay. Cool. So appreciate everyone for being here. All right, so yeah, today we're doing the show from Raministan. Rainbow Bear's eating out here today. I'll share my plays with you guys in a second. But yeah, Rainbow Bears winning today. Bulls and Apes, not so much. Boomers, Bulls, and Apes, not so much. But hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. And regardless, as always, got a great show today. Not much content, to be honest. It's been pretty slow. Really the whole 2023, it's been pretty slow market. Not that there hasn't been news or anything, but appears like retail is kind of non-existent now. And in the bear market, no one's too active, especially retail. Well, wouldn't call right now a bear market. We're actually up in 2023, but yeah, still crazy market. Retail doesn't like it. You think Dogecoin new floor is 8 cents? I don't know, dude. You can't predict these things with these meme coins. I'm not even gonna try. So possibly, but who knows? Who knows? As long as Elon Musk keeps chilling it and tweeting about it, it's not gonna go to zero. So yeah, that's a unique one. All right. Anyway, guys. So yeah, not too much to cover today, but we got. So as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews, live rainbow bearing. My plays today, we got 4 articles today. Nothing too crazy. One about MicroStrategy, aping again. One about Sentiment, which is a crypto that got hacked. One about the jobs reports, private jobs reports, numbers coming out today for March. That was probably the biggest article. And the one about Cash App founder Bob Lee. Don't want to give it away, but that was pretty big news. Cash App founder, news about that. And then today for the YOLOs, I thought I had more than this, but I guess not. There's only 3 YOLOs today. Yeah, so that should go pretty quick. So yeah, guys, not too much content planned. Oh, and the TA. All right, today for the TA, we're going to do TRKA, Troika Media. We're going to do AI. And we're going to do IFRX. So TRKA, AI, IFRX, and anything else you guys want me to look at. But not much price action today. Those 3 stocks. Not many mentions, but that was where all the price action was at today. Okay. Cool. Dogecoin survive without Elon Musk? I mean, probably, but he definitely helped out a lot. Looking at the chart, 8 cents is next support, but calling floor sounds a bit optimistic. Yeah, I wouldn't call it a floor, but major support. Critical support. Okay. That I will say, yes. Dogecoin critical support is at 8 cents. But floor, it's pretty hard to predict that. Alright, cool. I think I said everything there. Alright, let's get started, guys. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Alright, let's go, and it appears like we have a play already. Alright, it looks like REVB. REVB. No news. No news, so that's weird, but that is popping. 20% post-market. And JWEL is pulling back, so that's good for me, because currently getting wrecked on that. But yeah, so far, nothing really going on. Just REVB popping for no reason, pretty much. Alright, so we'll come back to this. And let's get to my plays today. I do have to update this. Guess I did cover that. Huh. Okay. SECO. Am I missing one? Missing a few. Alright, I think I got everything here now. Yes. Okay. So I'm just gonna pour myself a drink real quick and then we'll get started here. Yes. 1010 is right. Stay safe when investing in meme stocks or meme coins. It's not even investing. It's, gambling. But yes, careful. High risk, high reward. Alright, cool. Alright, let's run down the watch list. So, a lot of plays here today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 13 plays today. And I cut most of them. I'm still holding 6. But yeah, a lot going on today. Let's do it. What's up, Mark? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Alright. Actually, let me see something real quick. So I covered this one, and I really don't know if I should have. Probably not. Let me see here. Yeah, I probably should have held this for longer. That's alright. Hurts though, but yeah, I probably should have held this for longer. Damn. Yeah, I should have held this one for longer. Oh well, guess I can't complain too much. $26. Sure. Alright, let's get back to the plays. I'm just kind of upset about this because I feel like I covered too early. But, of course, coulda, shoulda, woulda. It's always like that. But I'm going to follow this, and I'm going to be tight if it keeps going down. Alright, yeah, Mark, give me... Let me just finish up with my plays here, and we'll look at COSM. Sure. Alright, and let's do it. Okay, so ENZ up 3.4% today, down 95. OSCR down 5.65%, up 185. BRDS down up 3.25%, down 90. Big gainer today, GFAI down 32.25%, up 1,090. BURU, we talked about this. Well, on Discord, I mentioned this. It was going crazy. I think Ken mentioned it too. But yeah, I managed to get shares on that at 490. And it's down to 418 now. So currently up 380 there and still holding. And then now, JWEL shorted this right before market close, and I was down 400, but now it's coming all the way back, and I'm actually up now. So I'm in at 38. Yeah, I'm in at 38, and I'm break even. A little bit in the green actually now. It's up 25. So very happy with that entry, and hopefully fat tinnies tomorrow. Should be. CRVS pulled back here, covered for break even, but made a couple $100 there. CDLX. This one, made about 500 there. And, so SECO covered that at 99 because it looked like everyone was covering, but now it's getting reshorted. So, yeah, I made about 500 there, but I could have made another 250 and probably more tomorrow, but can't get too upset about that. Yeah, up 500 there. Big loss today, IFRX. So, shorted this one yesterday. Got upgraded today, and yeah, I got pretty wrecked on this. I was down like 50%. More than that. I was down like $1,300. Would have been less, but I didn't catch the news until like an hour late, so I did lose like 200 that I shouldn't have. But yeah, got wrecked there. IFRX down 1,300. BFRG down 13.15% today. Made, I think, like 500 there. AMST down 12.75%. Made 500 there. And NFTG made about 500 there. So, yeah, a lot of plays here today. And even though I got wrecked $1,300 on CRVS, I had way more profits. And as of right now, 4:24 p.m. in the post market here, I'm up $2,800 on the day, which is one of the better days I had in a long time. So let's go. And I am back to an all-time high, right about all-time high. Not quite, but almost there. So yeah, pretty rough day yesterday. Massive tendies today. Imagine if I didn't short IFRX, would have been up 4K. That would have been insane. All right. Thank you, Mark. Appreciate you. Looked at CSOM a few months ago. When I made crazy move from like 3 to 7, it fell out like clove, which burned me bad. What's your entry? Are you long or short? I'm pretty sure he's long. Not sure about the entry. But if you like the share, Mark, go ahead. IFRX was ridiculous. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Went long yesterday when I spotted it at 320. Yeah, I spotted it and I went short. And got burned real bad today. But hey, not complaining. I did pretty damn well here. So, yeah, overall, up almost 3K today. And set up pretty well for tomorrow. Feel like there's still a lot of downside to go on some of these stocks. So very, very nice. Very nice. All right. Cool. So yeah, that's my plays for today, guys. Real good day for me. Fat tendies. All right, let me oops. My bad, guys. Wrong button. But you know what? Today does deserve a double money printer. Alright. Let me delete all this stuff. Alright, so this is what I'm still holding. 6 plays. So, yeah. Covered a lot here today. Alright, another scan. And on to, and then we'll do CSOM, and then we'll get on to, watch list today. Vorb, Virgin Orbit, is going up. I don't know why, but that seems like an easy short. Telegraph reporter Matt Field tweets on the bankruptcy call now. Virgin Orbit and its lawyers are trying to agree in an emergency cash injection. So there's a bankruptcy call. And the apes think it's bullish because they're trying to get emergency financing. Oh boy, alright. Already shorted this a few times, but I will go back for it if the apes want to give me some free money here. Alright, I'm going to short this at, I doubt it's going to get here, but 32. Putting in an order for 32. Virgin Orbits. Alright, let's go for 8,000 shares. Order in. Nice. Alright, so yeah. Virgin Orbit, VORB, VORB. Mooning today and mooning post-market. So, we'll see where that ends up. But definitely not justified. Not sustainable. Alright. Let's do another skin and CSOM, then the watch list. No, we got something here. We got something here. YVR. Shorted that many times before. No news. No news, so we'll keep an eye on that. But YVR is mooning. And what's this? L. Alright, so yeah, it's just pretty much YVR. Mooning on no news. Let me check IBKR actually. And then of course VORB. YVR. Nope, no news. Interesting. Jewel is coming down quite a bit already. I'm up 260 bucks there. So from down 400 to up 260. Yep. And there are shorts available now, but it's getting shorted pretty quickly. Okay. Let's do Vorb. I mean, not Vorb. Cosm. Okay, so there was this descending. Yeah, let me redraw that. It's actually more like this. Okay, more like that. Yeah. Joe Lanto or Yanto. What broker you use for shorting? I see you use Thinkorswim. Not for shorting. I use Thinkorswim for charting and for research, but for shorting, I use IBKR, Interactive Brokers. And if you're going to take shorting seriously, then I highly recommend that you do use Interactive Brokers. They are by far the best platform for shorting. So no, I use Thinkorswim for the show purposes and for charting and research, but to actually execute the trades, I use Interactive Brokers. But thanks for being here, dude. All right, so CSOM Cosmos Health. So not financial advice, but it's still consolidating. I think the last time we talked about this stock, I said it was consolidating. Looked like it was a bit more consolidation to go. Then it's gonna make a pretty big move. And here it looks like it's still consolidating and almost done consolidating. This triangle is like almost complete here. So like this is a descending triangle, which is bullish. So based on this is a very strong bullish indicator. Not saying it will moon or go to the upside, but that's that is a good sign. RSI's at 38, so slightly bullish there. And MACD is currently bullish, but it might cross to the downside pretty soon. So I guess neutral there. But yeah, so the big indicator here is this descending triangle. So expect a big move either way, but more likely to the upside than the downside here. So good luck to you, dude. I would say set a stop loss in case it does move to the downside, and have a plan if it does moon. Have a exit price. But yeah, still consolidating. Should be done consolidating very soon here, and looks like it's due for some massive action. Random thought, haven't looked at MJ stocks in forever. They are so sad. Most down 50% for the year, 90% down from 2021 highs. Yeah, well, all MJ stocks are kind of memes at this point. They are sad. And sad for me because I love me some MJ. But yeah, they're memes, so play them accordingly. Don't long-term hold them for now. Swing trade them. Buy low, sell high. Or if you're an ape, buy high, sell low. You're welcome, Joe. All right, you're welcome, Mark. Okay. So let's do one more scan, and let's... Did I do the watch list? No, I did not. And then we'll get onto the watch list. This always confuses me. I keep seeing TLSA, and it's Tizania Life Sciences. But I keep thinking it's Tesla. Alright, well, it looks like nothing going on right now. Okay, let's move on to the watch list here. Alright. Gotta take a quick drink first. Oh no, JWEL coming back to the downside. All right, let's do it. So the Dow Jones up 0.24%, but the Nasdaq down 1%, and the SPY down 0.26%. So it appears to be a slightly bearish day, but looking at the watch list here, might be a bit deceiving. Might be more bearish uh, than suggested by the indexes. VIX is up 0.42 points, up 0.08 points. So we're at 19.08 VIX now, which is not bad at all. Still chilling on the VIX. Okay, let's take a look here on the green side. So really not much going on. We got J&J, AMC, a lot of vaccine stocks. J&J, Novavax, Vaxart, got XCLA, Exxon, Walmart, Pfizer. Yeah, really weird. A lot of vaccine stocks going up today. Wonder why. And then some random value. AT&T, Verizon, Pepsi, Coke, Starbucks, Walgreens, Chevron, Disney, Hilton. And then banking stocks, Visa, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo. So yeah, it looks like vaccines, banks, and energy, for the most part, going up today. So not much in the green, but some value stocks in the green. Take a look at the red side. It's going to be a lot of red. Alright, so pretty much everything in the red here. Not really going to call it a bloodbath, because the price action wasn't the worst, but yeah, this is pretty bad. So let's take a look here. So a bunch of growth in memes here. HYMC, CEI, Oxygen, MMAT. Yeah, Express, Microvision, Bed Bath & Beyond, Palantir, Wish, Mullen. Damn, Tesla went down a lot too, 3.67%. Didn't someone have a Tesla call we saw yesterday or something? Good. Yeah, AMD down 3.5%. So a lot of memes getting wrecked here, and even some value. Amazon's down 2.7%, down to 100. Ford down 2.3%. So, kind of surprised that the market was only down this much. This is really bad, actually. I thought it wasn't so bad at first. No, this is pretty bad. A lot of growth, a lot of value in the red here. Surprised, because usually when value is down this much, the market's down like 1 or 2%. So I don't know why it's holding up so well, but this is definitely really not a good day for the market. Yeah, everything in the red. So, yeah, not really sure why the indexes are only down a little bit, but definitely deceiving. Today was pretty bearish. Good. So I did very well today. So I'm not complaining, but yeah, sorry to apes. Hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. Alright, let's get on to some crypto and the news. Qs were down 1%. That's pretty bad. Yeah, so tech was down a lot, I guess. Vor pulling back here. And what's this? Seek. SEAC. Alright, they had earnings. Excuse me. All right, let's get on to crypto and the news. Give me a second here to pull it up. All right, let's give this a minute to finish loading. And we'll get started here. All right, post-market, it's actually pulling back on me a little bit here. Or not. All right, almost done loading. Don't know why it's taking so long for this last article, but we'll get started here. All right, it just finished. Cool. All right, here's crypto. That's up 0.5% today. So, slightly bullish day in crypto. Nothing too crazy, but I'll take it. Let's check it out. So, Bitcoin's down 0.22%. Looks like 28K still holding. Ether up 1.7%. 1900, the new support. Binance up about 1%. Doge down 4%. Cardano sideways. Yeah, not much price action. Good amount of red, good amount of green, but I don't see much price action. Let's sort this out. I guess we'll start on the red side. Okay. Alright, so it's pretty split, 50-50 it looks like. So, yeah. Just slightly bullish. But on the red side, biggest loser is Solar. 9%, but nothing in the double digits here. And Doge is down 4%, third biggest loser. So, Doge definitely leading the way here on the red side. And Chainlink and Polkadot as well. And green side, so yeah, half the coins in the green. And this is a bit more price action on the green side. We got one coin in the double digits here, Clayton, 11.2%. But yeah, not much going on. So, yeah, pretty even split in crypto today, but slightly bullish. So, little bright spot here because the market was so nasty. So, yeah, bearish day, stock market. Slightly bullish day, crypto. So overall, today was kind of bearish, but a little bit of good news here. Hope it made it a little better. All right, guys, let's get to the articles today. So, once again, we have 4 articles. One about MicroStrategy, one about sentiment, the crypto, one about more jobs, numbers, and one about Cash App founder, Bob Lee. All right, let's do it. First one, MicroStrategy buys more Bitcoin as asset nears company's break-even price. All right, so MicroStrategy still aping. And, I thought it'd stop with Michael Saylor. I thought he was the big ape. Nope. After he left, they're still aping. So today they bought another 1,045 coins, or $29.3 million. And so far, they spent a total of $4.1 billion on Bitcoin. So now it holds 140,000 Bitcoin at an average of about 30,000, 29.8K per coin. So I think they're down on their investment, actually. I think their break even is like 31K. Well, yeah, MicroStrategy still aping. Bought another 30 mil today in Bitcoin. And I wonder if Uncle Sailor paid his taxes yet. Alright, next one. Sentiment offers 95K bounty to hacker who stole $1 million. Okay, pretty cool picture here. Looks like a spaceship. Alright, so I think we covered this yesterday, actually. But yeah, Sentiment got hacked for $1 million. And now, yeah, title says it all, offering 95K to get the money back, or with any information to get to prosecute the hacker. Okay. So they have until April 6th to return the money, or they're going to come after the hacker. Oh, what a threat, right? Alright, so not as bad as other hacks, but yeah, $1 million stolen, and, you know, sucks. Hope they get their money back, but don't count on it. Alright, let's get to the jobs. Okay, private payrolls rose by 145,000 in March, well below expectations, ADP says. Private sector hiring rose by just 145,000 in March, down from 261,000 in February, and below the estimate for 210,000. Financial activities lost 51,000 jobs, and professional and business services fell by 46,000. Yeah, that would do it. Makes sense. Finance. People getting laid off from the finance sector. Because, you know, hasn't been doing so well. Leisure and hospitality added another 98,000 workers. Trade, transportation, and utilities grew by 56,000, and construction rose by 53,000. Okay. So, this probably had something to do with the pullback today. This is not good. Yeah, hiring slowing down here. But yeah, interesting. So leisure, hospitality, and workers, trade, transportation growing, but finance and services falling. So white collar jobs getting wrecked, and blue collar jobs doing pretty well. 1010 says, so the jobs news makes people think this will definitely end rate hikes, but wait, does that mean recession right around the corner? Yeah, it's like that meme, you know, with the I don't know where it's from, but you know what I mean, with the two buttons, and then the guy's like wiping his face from sweat. So rate hike, cause recession, or no rate hike, or excuse me, rate hike, recession, or no rate hike, inflation. Lose lose. But yeah, who knows at this point. But the Fed has said they're probably gonna end rate hikes soon. Maybe one or two more, but they're gonna probably end it soon. That's what they said from themselves. They said it. But yeah, definitely not good news here. And definitely a factor as to why the market went down today. Not sure how much, but definitely a factor. Alright, and last article. Doesn't have to do with finance, but interesting stuff here. Finance app. But yeah, Cash App founder Bob Lee reportedly deleted in San Francisco stabbing, sources say. Pretty good looking guy. Yeah. So he's the chief product officer at Mobile Coin. What is Mobile Coin? Sounds like a scam. Okay, so he was... So downtown San Francisco, 2:35 a.m. So there's no information really other than he was stabbed and he passed away. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Random? I don't know. I don't think so. And Elon Musk said he was very sorry, too. Yeah, so not much information about what happened other than he was stabbed and now he's deleted. So RIP to Bob Lee. Give him the RIP here. Okay. I don't know, maybe they rug pulled someone and he got tight. And I shouldn't be joking like this. Alright. Cool. So that's all the articles for today, guys. So let me pull up the yellows here and let's do some TA real quick and finish up. So we're doing really good on time here. 4:56. And all that's left is TA. Only 3 TAs today, and the YOLOs. Only 3 YOLOs. So should be out of here pretty soon. Okay. So, yeah, CEAC going up on earnings. Still nothing really going on. VYR. Alright, nothing going on, so let's do some TA. Alright, so once again today we're going to do TRKA, AI, and IFRX. Alright, so TRKA. No news, but, you know, ape favorite here. Meme stock. Alright, so 49 RSI, pretty fair market value here at 25. Aftermarket action is pulling back, so that's bearish. MACD is crossing to the upside, so that's bullish. And possible cup and handle forming here. So that's bullish and also a possible descending triangle forming here. Very rough sketch. Okay. So, yeah, this is a meme stock. Be careful, guys. Definitely will not long-term hold this. But, yeah, and this squeezed, got wrecked. And now it looks like it's consolidating again. So, you know, honestly, I wouldn't touch this either way. Mixed signals right now. Bullish indicator is in the MACD, cup and handle, descending triangle, bearish indicator in the RSI, and neutral indicator in the MACD. So, you know, more bullish indicators than anything. But, so if I had to choose one, I'd say probably bullish. But, yeah, just too risky, too unclear to tell. So I just avoid this one altogether on the on both sides. But if you do want to gamble, I would say go long. Already pulled back quite a bit and may not be done pulling back, but looks like it's catching support and is due for some big price action here. So, yeah, definitely don't buy and hold this. Would not recommend going short. Would not recommend playing this anyway, but if you have to choose one, go long, not short. And make sure if you do make money, hit the sell button. Don't get too greedy. All right, so looks bullish in the short term to me. But I wouldn't touch it. I'd stay away from this one. Look for a better play. All right, AI. So this one getting wrecked here. So another meme stock. I mean, pretty much every stock we analyze is a meme stock because this is, because retail loves memes. But yeah, definitely big pullback here. I mean, it was squeezing unjustified, so to be expected. But yes, this is down to 21 now. RSI's at 44, so a little bit below average there. So price should be a little bit higher according to the RSI. MACD is crossing to the downside, so that's bearish. And we have a gap down at 32, so that is bullish. That's saying this should come back up to 32 at some point. Anyway, so this is a falling knife right now. Honestly, so as of right now, like this very moment, going short appears to be a decent play. Average entry, falling knife, so you should be able to make some money here. Not sure how much. Hard to predict where this is going to bottom out and catch support. So in the immediate short term, still bearish. Falling knife, still going to pull back, looks like. But based on the TA here, we do have more bullish TA than bearish. So I'm going to say immediate short term, bearish. Longer short term, bullish. According to the TA, again. So I short this right now. Wouldn't go long just yet, but as soon as it starts to catch support, bottom out, I'd cover and go long there. And I'm not saying this will moon or squeeze again, but this is a meme stock, and it does look bullish. So yes, at the moment, go short, don't go long, but very soon, when it bottoms out, catch support, cover, and go long, I would say. And, this is not a long-term investment. All right, and last one, IFRX. This one's a bit unique because, and full disclosure, I was in this stock and covered at like 590. So I got wrecked here pretty bad. So I'm going to give my take on this TA, but this is being manipulated right now by the hedge funds. This got upgraded by like 3 different hedge funds today, so take it with a grain of salt. But yeah, RSI's at 91 right now, extremely oversold, extremely overbought, extremely overvalued. This is actually still running post-market, so that might mean this still isn't done squeezing yet, which is crazy. So aftermarket action bullish, and there is a gap up at 4, so this should come back down to 4 at some point. Bearish there. So yes, according to the TA, this does look pretty bearish, but again, being manipulated right now. So this may keep on squeezing for a bit longer. I wouldn't go long. I think you already missed your chance, but and at this point it'd be kind of FOMO. So I certainly wouldn't go long, although it does appear like there is more upside to go. But yeah, it looks like a pretty easy short. Should come back down to $4 to fill the gap. But again, it is being manipulated, so that may not happen. But if things were natural, it would go back down to $4. Anyway, so yeah, looks like it's still squeezing, but has to pull back at some point. So wouldn't really go long. I think that's FOMO. I like going short and covering at 4, and should be some pretty fat tendies. I got squeezed out. But, good luck to all you apes who are looking to short this down. So, another meme stock here. Well, not necessarily a meme stock, but biotech pump and dump. So, it already squeezed, too late to go long, and good chance to go short here. Not financial advice. But again, manipulated, be careful. Okay, cool. Should I reshort this? Why is it going up so much? Post-market. I just should have waited, honestly, instead of going for it so soon. Baba Guy update. He's back up to 38k, learned his lesson, making much safer, longer-term plays. Yeah, so I'm glad he's making it back. But what, he's down 150k, so gotta take a few years to make it back. But I'm glad he did learn his lesson. Yes. Or hopefully he did. Looks like he did. Alright, so looks like still nothing going on post-market. Was it 9k a year ago? Started with 100k. Okay, so even from 9k to 38k is pretty insane. That means he went up 300% in a year. Not even a year, so I mean, it looks like he's doing spreads now, which is much safer, but even 9k to 38k is pretty insane. So he's taking some chances, but I hope it works out and hope he makes his money back there. Alright, let's finish up with the YOLOs. No TA going on here. There's only 3 YOLOs, so we should be out of here in less than 10 minutes. Okay. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna take a quick drink and we'll finish up here with the YOLOs. There's only 3, so this should be done real fast. Alright, let's do it. So first one, by 0 days to expiration. Very relevant. Step 1. Inverse your inverse play. Step 2. Let runners run. Step 3. Don't forget to tip your dealer. Yes. Step 1, 2, and 3. Welcome to the casino, pretty much. So I guess he just had QQQ puts here. Not just QQQ puts. And then he has bonds. That's funny. He has QQQ, FDs, and then he has bonds. Just why not? So anyway, QQQ puts. And yeah, the Qs did go down a lot, as Tencent said today. So not sure what the cost basis was. But he's up quite a bit today. 17.5k. Yeah, not sure what the entry was, but he's up 17.5k. 180% on one play and 94% on the other. Yes. April 5th, so it's already over, or should be over in 25 minutes. 319 and 320 puts. I think already sold, though. So it's in the money, and he already sold, though, so congrats. Yes, so this is a straight-up gamble. And he knows it. So, he's not playing. He's not admitting that he's a genius or anything. He's admitting this was a gamble. And yes, this was a straight up gamble. So he made like 17.5K. So yeah, that's how you make 17K in a day. With lottery tickets. I love how he has that one bond at the bottom, just like YOLOs and a bond, just to balance it out. That's hilarious. All right, cool. So total 8 play up 17K today. That is how you do it. Great gain corn. Congrats to you. Enjoy. All right, next one by Math Guy 100. Yeah, this was the guy we reviewed yesterday, was it not? This was the guy on Tesla. This was Tesla, was it not? This was the Tesla call guy. This was the Tesla call guy. Yes. Alright, so I may have flown close to the sun. I can't believe I had 35K on Monday morning. And now you have nothing.
And it's gone.
So I did say you should probably cut before you lose everything, right? Because I think he still had 10K. I think it was down 2.5K. And he still had 10K. And I said he'd probably cut before he lose everything. And he decided to hold. So yes, this was a 15K YOLO. And now he's down to now he's down to 2.5K. So 12.5K loss. 83%. And there's 1 day to go. And the strike is 411. So is Tesla going to go to 411 in 1 day? Probably not. Probably not. So, yeah, cut. This was 4 hours ago. It's probably worth less now. But 4 hours ago, yeah, hit the sell button, do it, save yourself 2.5K or lose it all. So, you know, I called it yesterday. I knew this was going to happen. But I appreciate the lost corn, and do yourself a favor. Cut it now, save yourself 2.5K. Or lose everything. So, yeah. Math Guy 100. Sorry for your loss. Not really. Not very good math. But epic lost corn, and, you know, hope you recover. Alright, last one. Last one. By Unfuquitable 1. Rate my trade. Am I the WWE champ? Alright, so we got WWE FDs here. April 21st, WWE FDs. Calls. I think it's $100 calls? Yeah, $100 calls. And they are getting acquired, are they not? So it's at 99 right now. It's not even in the money, but, you know, pretty much there. So I'm not sure what the cost basis was, but he's up 35K on the day. Not sure why he had these, but alright, dude. Congrats to you. Are you the WWE champ? This week you can be, sure. Rate your trade. Very nice trade. Is it you? Probably not. So, yeah. Good trade, but straight up dumb luck. Unless he had inside information. Unless he's like unless he knows Vince McMahon or something. But, yeah. Nice. And it says he's up 517%. So, I guess, this was a 6K YOLO or something. 7K YOLO? Probably 7K YOLO. Maybe 8K, I don't know. Something like that. Probably 7K YOLO. So, yeah, well done, well done. And you got couple weeks to expiration, I'd probably just hit the sell button because it's not even in the money, and any overbought right now. Anything is possible, you know. Just enjoy your tendies, enjoy your 500% tendies, hit the sell button. Yeah, dude, well done. Well, kind of. It wasn't really you, but yes, well done. All right. So that's all the YOLOs for today, guys, and that is the show. So let's do one more scan here, but yeah, pretty short show. Not much content to cover, but good show. Hear a siren coming down the road, so my apologies, guys. Gonna talk over it. But yeah, I'm looking at this watch list here, and it appears like there's still nothing going on. So if anything happens, I'll update you guys on Discord. But as right now, nothing going on post-market. Well, there's Virgin Orbit, and YVR on nothing. And IFRX. Okay. The siren has been going on for a minute. Alright, just stopped. Or not, Jinx. Alright, so we will wait for this to pass, and we'll get out of here. Alright. Cool. Alright, I'm gonna mute while this passes, guys. Alright, that was loud. And it's still going. Alright, we're good. Cool. Alright, so appreciate everyone. Thank you, Joe. I guess you've been a viewer for a while, but I haven't really seen you chatting before, so glad you're chatting. Thank you. Appreciate you, man. Alright, guys, so that is the show for today. So we went about an hour, 15 minutes. Not much going on today. Pretty bearish today. I made some fat tendies, though, so I'm not complaining. But yeah, guys, thank you for the show. Hope you guys enjoyed. So we got 2 days left. Oh, reminder. Friday... Let me double check right now, but I'm pretty sure Friday the stock market is closed. Yes. Friday the stock market is in fact closed. So, tomorrow is the last day of trading for the week. Short week, long weekend. So, I'll catch you guys back here tomorrow. No show on Friday. Stock market is closed, and we'll be back at it on Monday. Yes. Okay. Yes. Reminder, guys. No show on Friday. No show on Friday. All right. Cool. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys didn't get wrecked too hard today. And we got one more day. So hopefully tomorrow, bullish to end the week. All right. Appreciate everyone. Let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.